Hollywood Juniper, your guide to this elegant evergreen. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Juniperus Hollywood, Juniperus chinensis, torullosa. This captivating evergreen shrub has become a popular choice for landscapes due to its unique appearance and low-maintenance nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Hollywood juniper. What is a Hollywood juniper? The Hollywood juniper is a cultivar, a cultivated variety, of the Chinese juniper, Juniperus chinensis. It was introduced from Japan in 1920 and has since gained favor for its distinctive characteristics. Unlike its parent species, the Hollywood juniper boasts a more compact and upright form, typically reaching 15 to 20 feet in height and 10 to 12 feet in width at maturity. What makes the Hollywood juniper special? The Hollywood juniper stands out with its captivating features. Graceful form. This shrub boasts a pyramidal shape, offering a touch of elegance to any landscape. Sculptural branching. The branches exhibit a graceful twist, adding a sculptural element that creates visual interest. Vibrant foliage. Soft, feathery needles in a rich green hue adorn the branches, adding a touch of life throughout the year. Striking bark. As the Hollywood juniper matures, its bark sheds in strips, revealing an eye-catching contrast of textures and colors. How does the Hollywood juniper compare to other junipers? While several juniper varieties exist, the Hollywood juniper offers distinct advantages. Compact growth. Compared to other junipers that can sprawl extensively, the Hollywood juniper maintains a more manageable size, making it suitable for smaller gardens. Adaptability. This juniper thrives in various climates, tolerating full sun, heat, and even salt exposure, making it a versatile choice for coastal landscapes. Low maintenance. Once established, the Hollywood juniper requires minimal care, ideal for busy gardeners. Here's a quick comparison with two popular junipers. Feature Hollywood Juniper Pfizer juniper, Juniperus horizontalis, Pfizerana. Growth habit upright, pyramidal spreading, low-growing mature height 15-20 feet 10-15 feet, variable, mature spread 10-12 feet up to 20 feet, or more sun preference full sun to partial shade maintenance low moderate. May require pruning to maintain shape. Choosing the right juniper. The ideal juniper for your landscape depends on your specific needs. If you seek a compact, low-maintenance evergreen with a captivating form, the Hollywood juniper is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer a sprawling ground cover, the Pfizer juniper might be a better fit. Planting and caring for your Hollywood juniper. Planting your Hollywood juniper is a straightforward process. Select a location. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Amending the soil with compost before planting can enhance drainage and provide essential nutrients. Dig a hole. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of your juniper. Planting. Gently remove the juniper from its container and place it in the hole, ensuring the root ball sits level with the surrounding soil. Watering. Water thoroughly after planting and regularly during the first growing season, especially during dry spells. Once established, Hollywood junipers are drought-tolerant. Pruning. While not strictly necessary, you can prune your Hollywood juniper to maintain its desired shape or remove dead or damaged branches. Prune lightly in late winter or early spring. Additional tips for success. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your Hollywood juniper to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilization. While not essential, a balanced fertilizer applied once a year in spring can promote healthy growth. Pests and diseases. Hollywood junipers are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for common juniper problems like scale insects and fungal diseases. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Hollywood juniper that will enhance your landscape for years to come.